Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my review on this product CS2 titanium coating that I bought from a Facebook ad. I don't remember exactly which company is selling this product. So I bought this for 500 rupees. The MRP is 2500 and it says that it's water repellent and scratch proof. So let's check out. I just applied this coating on my car and it gives a very nice lustrous shine to the body panel. It looks great. It looks very nice, and I tried to apply it on the maximum possible surfaces, and you can see the difference. I mean, the product works well. It gives a very good shine, which is very fresh looking. But when I tried to pour water on it, let's see if it works. Well, it doesn't work. This product is not a water repellent. Let's try it on the side panels. The water stays. It's not that hydrophobic. No, doesn't work. You can see the water droplets still there. It gives a very good shine, but I don't think it's water repellent or some kind of hydrophobic or something. I don't know what do we call it. So the bottom line is, whatever claims the company has made for selling the product, I mean this CS2 titanium coating, it doesn't work. This product doesn't work. So I request all the viewers to comment on this video and share your opinion about what you think about this product. If you have tried this product, please share your videos as well. I would love to see the difference. I have followed all the instructions mentioned here. I did everything. I cleaned the car, I washed it, cleaned it, dried it, applied the coating, left it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and then started rubbing with this cloth, but it doesn't work. So I would love to know your opinion, what you think about this product, and please do share your opinion on this fake product that I bought. It doesn't work. It's 110% fake. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.